So how excited you all are? Whom are you meeting today? Who are you?
Jyotiṣa has been one of the most transformative experience in my life, I tell you. I am a completely different person. From the day I started learning it, it has only been a way up for me. I never thought that learning a subject could be so enlightening, it can be so empowering, and it can be something which has the ability to change your life in so many ways. I have started seeing so much happening in my life just through the knowledge of Jyotish.
My experience with Jyotiṣa Academy has been amazing, eye-opening. Jyotiṣa Academy, the teachers, the mentors, the peers are so talented enough that they bring out the best in you. They bring out the best in you, plus they bring out what knowledge we have to research for, and you yourself become confident that yes, this science, and I'm using the word science, this science is going to help you in your long run, and probably you can help others also in their confusion or dilemmic state.
मैंने और कहीं गणमान्य शिक्षकों से भी, आचार्यों से भी ज्योतिष सीखा हुआ है. वो सब बहुत अच्छे हैं, बहुत ज्ञानी है. मेरे पर्सनल अनुभव में मेरा आत्मविश्वास इसीलिए सबसे ज्यादा यहाँ बड़ा है बिकॉज ये अप्रोच ये है कि केवल सूत्र नहीं, केवल सिद्धांत नहीं, वो तो है ही, वो तो सीखना ही है, बट there is a method to the madness is what I will say.
So I have just completed the first year of Jyotish training from Jyotiṣa Academy, and I have to say that this is one of the best experiences I have had in the last 1 year. I always used to have this question that can someone who is not from a family of Jyotish, can he really learn it? So I'm really grateful of kind of training that I've been provided.
Hi, my name is Ketavan and I'm from Canada. I've had a great experience so far. The teachers take a lot of time to answer questions. The curriculum is very well organized and divided. Yeah, Ashutosh Ji is really incredible. It's one thing to be an expert, but also to be able to convey the information in a way that's digestible and also very interesting.
After 2 semesters studying here, I'm able to analyze charts, look at health issues, help people with career advice, childbirth, matching horoscopes, possibilities of marriage as well. So all very good practical applications. We were in awe when we saw how things were moving, how things were showing as we were taught.
When I'm learning from Art of Living Jyotish Academy, everything just falls into places. From the foundational knowledge and how this universe is working to our personal life and applying the Jyotish knowledge. All the puzzle just fit into the places. It was a revelation for me. The entire journey was an aha moment for me every single time.
I invite everyone who have little kind of interest to learn what is Jyotish. I request everyone to enroll for the SEM-1.
I've had a fantastic journey, over the last 6 to 8 months.
So, before this course, I had my own idea about planets, but all my concepts changed after this program.
And the teachers are so amazing. They could make everything be so easy, which is such a higher level knowledge, coming down to your level and explaining it to you.
They are Jyotishis who have lived the subject. They also have adapted these classical texts and made the information very succinct and simple for us to understand and absorb.
I was always skeptical about astrology because, like many others, I thought it was just about predictions and costly remedies. But when I joined the Art of Living's Jyotiṣa Academy course, it completely changed my perspective. I realized astrology isn't just about destiny, it's a tool for awareness.
And if you are also looking for learning Jyotish that truly helps your life, this is the best place. Thank you so much, Jyotiṣa Academy.
We are the Art of Living Jyotish!